The desire to look young and feel confident remains as high as it ever did, even as we age. Our outward appearance has a significant impact on how we feel about ourselves, and ultimately influences how we live our lives. When you feel good about how you look, you're empowered and eager to seize everything life has to offer. As we age, our stem cells need help doing what they did naturally when we were younger. They need help slowing down the effects of aging, like wrinkles and uneven skin tone. When seeking a complete skincare routine, keep in mind it's not just about what you put on your skin. It's about what you put into your body. With the right nutrition, your body can regenerate new cells to help you maintain youthful-looking skin. Usually, the most exclusive and expensive options like stem cell injections are reserved only for celebrities. We decided to create a luxurious product that accomplishes similar results as these exclusive treatments at a price affordable to everyone. And that's where OMNIA comes in. OMNIA boosts your stem cell production to keep your skin vibrant and healthy, minus the invasiveness and high cost of a cosmetic procedure. With Korea being the leading influencer in skincare health, it's no surprise some of their top celebrities have already discovered the benefits of OMNIA. Don't just take our word for it. Some of Korea's most famous celebrities proudly endorse this new skin nutrition supplement after experiencing outstanding results. What is it that makes OMNIA so effective? OMNIA is powered by fertilized avian egg extract, spirulina, and red clover blossom. Our proprietary fertilized avian egg extract helps reverse the signs of aging by lengthening your telomeres, which are the caps that protect your cells and enable them to keep replicating. When your telomeres shorten and your cells stop replicating, the effects of aging are accelerated. OMNIA has the power to reverse this natural phenomenon in your body. It is the egg bioactive growth factors found in the fertilized avian egg extract that stimulates the repair capabilities of your stem cells, supporting skin cell growth to keep you looking youthful as you age. With the help of spirulina, your body can reduce pigmentation and wrinkles caused by photoaging and UVB exposure. And say hello to more radiant skin and goodbye to dryness, thanks to red clover blossom. Our 3 key ingredients are supported by powerful complexes and blends that not only support your skin, but also help improve your hair and nails. The Rejuvenation Complex, which contains hyaluronic acid, L-cysteine amino acid, and collagen, will help produce smoother skin and fuller, stronger hair. The Super Vitamin B Complex will put an end to brittle nails, uneven skin tones, and hair loss. And the antioxidant and botanical blend will improve blood circulation, ensuring the vital nutrients your skin needs are delivered. OMNIA's proprietary formula powers your stem cells to be their best and help your skin look its best from the inside out. Complete your skincare routine with OMNIA and watch your skin become more vibrant and youthful every day.